Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Lexus LS. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include Appearance Package, Cold Weather Package, Luxury Package, DVD Player, Navigation System, Automatic Climate Control, MP3 Player, Sirius Satellite Radio, Anti-Lock Brakes, Cruise Control, Power Steering, Universal Remote, Moonroof, Leather Seats, Power Door Locks, Stability Control, Traction Control, Bluetooth, and Power Windows.